And we gotta pull the tarp off together.
Take it.
Me and him. So, grab the shovels, buddy. Big piece of ice back here still. We're gonna see if the Magnum pull away from it. After we get the tarp. That's what we get right, mate. Oh, we gotta pull the tarp off. Hold on. Yeah, give me a second. Hey, Metro. Huh? Oh, you in the window, hey. Did you eat the pizza from yesterday? He ate that already. It was on the floor. Back inside. Record this real quick. Come on. Come on. Alright, we gotta pull this out.
Oh, my feet. Huh? Get in? Okay. Oh snap! What is it? Come here.
Are we stuck to that?
You broke. No, you weren't stuck to it, but you broke one off.
I broke it? Oh, damn.
You slid back over and was spinning and you hit it and it broke. Come on.
Gotta change them out. It is what it is. More spikes to come then now. So, catch y'all on the next one then. Whew. I feel like I'm winded. I ain't do nothing but get a car out of the spot. So, I chopped the ice up too a little bit. Then I put some sandpaper under it.
That sandpaper disappeared real fast.
Yeah, it shot straight out. And once it did that though, and it gave it a little bit of chance to rock. So that's when I was like, oh, I should be able to get out. So there it is. She's out. Now I'm getting ready to take her to the store, take her for a ride for a little bit. And I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace. Ain't gonna lie to y'all. It feels good to ride in the Magnum. Even if I ain't riding far and I ain't doing a whole lot. Storm's actual first time riding in the Magnum. So yeah, it feels good. Can't wait to change the steering wheel out. Can't wait to change all of that out. All of that's going away, just so y'all know. Of course, that's why I grabbed that steering wheel, because we changing the interior of the Magnum to upgrade. So, yep. So let's get this ride. Storm, you ready? Got our petrol, being as though the car been sitting. Since we recording, we ain't gonna play no music. None of that good stuff. But yeah, man, it seemed like it was a little bit of task fooling with this car to get it started. So sorry, Storm, you can't block the video. But let me hold y'all this way. Yeah, it was a little task to get the Magnum going. So bought the jump box from the idiot girl at Napa. Put it on the battery charger all night long, and now we riding. So now I got that jump box or jump charger maintainer. You know what I mean? So it feels good to ride in the car. It feels good when I ain't talking to you guys, because also I'll be playing my music. But yeah, as long as it's like this, I don't mind driving it, you know, because I don't go nowhere to fool around with the people out here who can't drive, pull my car to get in an accident. So yeah, I'm waiting on the spring. We hoping the groundhog does his thing. Say we gonna get an early spring, because it's that time. I'm ready for it. Ready for it. See, I live in a hill area, so that's another reason why I don't take the Magnum out and about, because everywhere we live at is hills, showing up hills. So yeah, the Magnum's out of the driveway now. I like it. I enjoyed it. A little ride. I ain't go far. And the other battery is on the jumper box. So the maintainer, so that way if we run into a problem, I have it. So hopefully you guys like this video. I know, it wasn't nothing educational or nothing. It was just jumping the car and having fun with my kids. So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so you can get all upcoming content that I put out. High Storm. Ain't that right? Tell them. So we'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.